Gems, Crystal here. Today, me and Emerald are playing Panic with a K.
Okay, let's get started. So, over here you see play. There's bot mode and player mode.
Let's get in the bot mode. Let's get in the bot
Okay,
mode.
let's
E.
go. E? Okay. Yes, we made it.
Okay. 10 people. We got this.
Waiting for players. Okay. Oh, it's a shopping mart. What's this? Notice. This store stocks itself using an automatic restocking system. Please stay clear when items are being restocked. What's that supposed to mean?
I'm by like the fruits and veg.
Oh, I'm by some robot. It's like cleaning the floor. I'm by Sugar and Co. Big B. Mondays?
This is giving me IKEA vibes. Oh no, we got locked in.
Walmart is now closed.
Walmart? Whoa.
Is now closed.
Whoa. I'm in aisle 8.
Yo, I see the robot.
Complete your scanners to unlock the emergency trapdoors.
Oh my god, is he bad? Can he kill you? Why is he just standing
Wait, am I
there?
supposed to pick up bread, donut? What am I supposed to pick up? And beans?
Okay, hold on. I don't know what that is. Pretzels, a pear, and soap. Oh my gosh, I see him. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I'm supposed to be scanning what it tells me, so I have to look for ice cream, toilet paper, and bread. Well, I do have bread. Does it have to be in order?
No.
Ice cream and toilet paper. Let's see. Well, that's tissue
God.
boxes.
I see him. Oh my gosh. Yo, this guy just pushed me. Oh, what is that? Yo, he's following me.
What aisle are you in?
I have
Oh,
no clue.
I think I see you.
He took one of my hearts. He took one of my hearts. He literally just followed me and he passed everybody standing
Oh.
next to him. Why is he still
Whoa.
following me? Why is he
I
back?
need toilet paper.
Why is he back, girl?
The toilet paper. Okay, now let's do player mode. Why isn't anybody joining player mode? Well, we'll be the first.
Should try to race this
Okay.
time. I'm not gonna help anybody or fool around. I'm gonna be the first person out this time.
Oh, shift to push. I can push somebody.
Yo, yeah, that's what I've been doing.
Oh. Oh, my energy. Killer chance 16%. Whoa.
Same, bro.
That's a big percentage.
Yo, is it me?
Chicken, soap, and apples. Okay, I see chicken right here. Where's the soap and the apple?
Bro, I'm the killer, but I don't know what to do. Oh, I'm the killer. Okay, hold click to vacuum.
Oh, don't get me.
Girl, come here.
Chicken. I need chicken and soap and like something else. What's this? Ew, why is there poop cake here? Green grass cake?
Bro, I'm so slow. What do I do?
This store is monitored by Happy, the robot for your safety. Happy is an autonomous robot who uses radar technology to keep
Really?
stores- Hey!
That's crazy.
I'm on my lives. What the?
I'm
I
gonna
need some
win this.
Cookie jar, cupcake, and sausage link. Okay.
Now come rat out your teammates. Actually, I think I'm gonna get you.
Oh yeah, come find me. If you can even find me.
I won't let you
Let's go,
escape.
trophy girl. Well,
In a way, are y'all
that?
escaping? Trophy girl. Girl, come here.
Where's the escape? Oh look, Emerald, I'm over here. I'm over here, Emerald. Turn around. Behind you.
No, let me get this girl
Turn
before.
around.
Okay, I'm coming. As long as this Karen girl leads me to you.
Ha, ha,
Oh,
ha, ha,
hi,
ha,
Crystal.
ha, ha.
Don't leave! Don't leave me! She trying to escape. You just took the escape from her, so now
Why
she
am I
can't
swimming?
escape.
I'm swimming to the cookie. Oh, I stole the escape from her. Let's go. First
So you
place.
literally killed her.
I feel so bad. But hey,
I say that was a win.
I got the winner's trophy. Okay, so that's how you get the trophy. You just win. You just be.
Wait,
the winner.
what?
I think you like first place or something.
Alright, now it's a real competition, like who's gonna be first. Okay, so as I was the killer, I learned something. If you drop something in front of the killer, then they like vacuum it and I think they go a little slower. So that's why people were like dropping stuff in front of my face.
Okay.
So
Ew.
ew.
It just rotten right from our face. Yo, Walmart. What happened to Walmart?
Alright, alright. I gotta be first. I need that trophy. Oh, thank you. This girl pushed me. Okay.
Oh no! Back away! Oh, why are they like? Oh no! I'm just gonna follow it. Why is my speed low?
I'm gonna
How
pick
do
up
I
some random.
change my speed?
Alright.
Happy has been shocked. How do you shock them? What taser do
Oh,
they
is
have?
that the magnet thing? Oh.
Oh,
Okay, it's pear and pineapple.
pineapple pear.
Oh, please, 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 wait. Take that. Yo, it just got this girl. Yo, it's so fast.
Wait, where's the chips?
Wait, where's the scanner? Please,
It's
where
by
is
the
it?
fresh produce. Oh no, it's stupid bagel. I need donuts. Oh yes, the
No.
donut. Yes.
I need this trophy. Where is the last scanner? I
It's by the-
cannot.
It's literally
Ah!
over here by the fresh produce. On the other side. On the other side of it.
Like
Like
in
the
it
other
or
side
like
of the
by it,
scanner. It's like go by the fresh produce and you'll see it.
bro. I
No.
I'm going in
Get
circles.
this bacon girl! Somebody push me! Oh, why is it only following me? No. No. I need enough stamina. Somebody push me! Yes! This guy! I don't have enough time though. I can't make it.
Okay,
can't
wait.
make
What do
it.
you need?
It's by the fresh produce. Okay, the last scanner thingy is by the fresh produce.
Is that the freezer section?
No, there's the fresh produce. There's two. Go by the other
What is
way.
the fresh produce? Where is it,
By
bro?
the meat. Go where I came from. It's that way. Why did she just push me? Okay, okay.
Are you kidding me? It's not
Let me
fair.
see it.
I
Look
can't
at me. Look at me.
Hey.
Yes. Why is she dancing too? She's second place. 3 people. Whoa.
I cannot
win
find the scanner. Bro, expecting. Oh my god. That's the last.
I didn't know there's only one escape. Everybody just escaped at the same time. Where are you?
Chips and lemon. Chips and lemon.
If 5 people can make it before you, I just think.
I'm so sad right now.
Bro.
Chips, girl, stop. Drop that right now. Oh my gosh,
It's
I'm
following
about
you.
to
Whoa! You better pick up that lemon you just dropped. Oh,
get that girl, please. I want the chips she just picked up. Oh wait, there's another one right here. Dang it. Now I'm gonna
5.
be
You
like
can be the
6.
6th one. Yeah.
If someone escapes right now, I'm gonna cry.
I thought there was like 3 and
No,
you just have to find.
girl.
Oh! Wow.
Bacon, move. Oh. Now she's sending in my shot of me dancing. Oh.
Well, at least you were 7th. Congratulations.
That is nothing to be congratulated about. The
We're
bacon
having-
tried to escape.